Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings everyone. My name is Afrizal Trilamarta. I'm a college student in Mulia University and I'm learning computer science. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a simple basic calculator program with Python. But before we jump into the tutorial, you must to install Python and VS Code on your computer or laptop. And how you're going to do that is very simple. You just type this on your search box YouTube and click the top of the video, or the thumbnail video is like this, and then you click it and then you watch and follow the tutorial and done. And I hope you're already done with the installation Python and VS Code, and then we're gonna move to the next move or the tutorial. Let's go. Okay guys, after you open your Visual Studio Code, and right now you make a new file by click here, and I'm gonna name this to cal.py, some whatever, but the important thing is .py because py is the Python extension. And then press enter, and then it's gonna save on my desktop, and then press enter. And then now what I'm usually do for the first before coding is making a comment. Comment is for not showing that specific code on your output. So it's gonna be like this. We use hash for comment, and then you can make whatever you want. I'm gonna print, make like this. Okay, I'm gonna type first and then I'm gonna explain it. Okay guys, already done with the comment. As you can see here, we print out the code in Python. We use like this, the print and this bracket. Okay, and then for operators mathematics is plus, minus, multiply and divided. For multiply we use asterisk symbol, not x, and then divide we use slash. Okay, and then the three statement we use is if, elif and else, and we're gonna use do while true for looping and break for exit the looping to exit the program. And then there's two types of number in coding. In coding there's float and integer. So as you can see, float is with a decimal point number, but an integer is like a regular number. Okay, and then now I'm gonna make three sections. There's header, and then input, and then is output. Okay, these are the three sections we're gonna make. So now I'm gonna write my code, and then after I write my code I'm gonna explain it, and then you can follow the code. Okay, okay guys, I already done with the code right here. So this is for the header. You can type it too, this is for the header, and then for the input is like this, and then for the output is like this. This is the output, and this is the end of the program. So that's it. And now I'm gonna tell you how it works. Okay, you click here and run Python file, and then I'm gonna move this to the right side, and then now we have the first header, simple basic calculator program, and then this is from here 30 times equal sign, so it's gonna make like this. Okay, and now for the input I'm using while true because I want to looping the program, and then num1 and num2 is using float type because it just not with 1, because calculator always have a decimal numbers. Okay, and then input insert a number, and then for the operator you can choose plus, minus, times, and divided. And then for the output you can write this code. So if operator is plus, so the result is gonna process the number 1 and number 2 is gonna plus, and it's gonna print the answer from the result like that. And then you want to put break because you want to exit the program, and then this is how you make the program stop. Is continue, make the input user, so do you want to continue, yes or no? If it's continue is no, then it's gonna stop or break, and then this is for the end of the program. Thanks. Okay, let me show you. Insert your number. I'm gonna pick a decimal point, decimal number 1.5, then I'm gonna choose plus, and then 1.5 again. It's gonna be 3. Yes, it is. Do you want to continue? Yes. Press Y. Insert your number. I'm now using the integer numbers, so there's 4, and now I'm gonna using multiply by using X, and then insert your number. I'm gonna choose 2, so it's gonna be 8. Yes, it is. Do you want to continue? I'm gonna press no because I want to exit. Press N and enter. The end of the program. Thanks. Okay, so where's the else? The else is like this. We're gonna run again. Insert number 1, and then you choose the wrong input, so plus, minus, times, and divide. I'm gonna choose point like this, and then I'm choose 1, and then it's gonna be false condition because the input is I'm using point. Okay, I'm gonna enter. See, the wrong input. That is gonna solve this message. Do you want to continue? No. And then the end of the program. Thanks. And that's how you do it to make a simple basic calculator program. Thank you. Yeah, so that's for the tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you're interested for Python, you can go to this website and reading some document. Okay, because programming is just not learned by coding, but also learned by reading. What's reading a document like that. So yeah, this is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.